You're gonna get arrested.
Why did he seize your property?
I done got nothing. I got no drugs, no nothing. They just taking my property. What is wrong with me? They got a 5-year-old girl on a single phone. He said, fuck her.
Now what are you manhandling him for? Leave me alone. You do your business. Don't mind mine. Excuse me?
Come over here with me.
Excuse
You
me?
can't stand here and start screaming at people across the
Excuse
street.
me? He started hollering at me first, sir.
Walk over here with me.
I'd ask you to back up and leave me alone.
You're gonna get arrested.
I'm gonna get arrested for what?
You're
For
interfering
what?
with the police investigation.
I'm not interfering with
start
nothing.
screaming along
I'm
the
not
road.
interfering with
Look at all
nothing.
You can't start screaming along the road.
When somebody hollers at me, I'm gonna respond back. You can't lock me up for disorderly conduct.
You're under
All
arrest.
right.
On August 8th, 2023, the Allegheny County Sheriff's Department in Cumberland, Maryland, had a guy pulled over on the side of the road, and it looked like they were harassing him. While the Sheriff's Department had the road partially blocked to the point where it was impeding traffic, Tri-State Audit News decided to exercise his unalienable right to record these public officials on the side of the public roadway. Now, since we know how dreadfully afraid cops are of video cameras, we can pretty much predict how this ends up. But stay tuned because there is a twist.
Yeah? Why did he seize your property?
I done got nothing. I got no drugs, no nothing. They just taking my property.
So why is he
This is
seizing?
my first time ever being out here my whole life.
Why is he seizing your property?
This shit is crazy, bro. That shit ain't right, bro.
No, it's not.
This ain't right. And I asked you many times, and I asked everybody, can you please answer my phone to make sure the phone is
Good. Now he gonna try to come up voice.
So I can get out, please.
Yeah, you can get out. Come on back. You cut out there. That'll work just fine. Man has nothing on him. He's gonna take his stuff anyway. They don't care about causing problems in somebody's life. All they care about is their ego. Their reputation being hurt. They don't care if they ruin that man's life.
5 years old on single phone. He said, fuck up.
Now what are you manhandling him for?
Let's go to 5 years old, man. It ain't right, yo.
Leave me alone. You do your business. Don't mind mine.
That's not right, though. I got my daughter in the corner, bro. Right, though, yo. I got a daughter, bro. She's 5.
Exactly. They don't care if they mess the man's life up or for their egos. Excuse me?
Come over here with me.
Excuse
You
me?
can't stand here and start screaming at people across the
Excuse
street.
me? He started hollering at me first, sir.
Walk over here with me.
I'd ask you to back up and leave me alone.
You're going to get arrested.
I'm going to get arrested for what?
You're
For
interfering
what?
with the police investigation.
I'm not interfering with
start
nothing.
screaming along
I'm
the
not
road.
interfering with
Look at
nothing.
all these people stopping and looking
The
at you.
cop hollered at me first.
You can't
Thank
do
you
that.
very much.
You can't do
Well,
that.
tell him he can't do that.
Come over
I'm going to respond when somebody hollers at me.
You can't start screaming along the road.
When somebody hollers at me, I'm going to respond back.
Move off the shoulder over to the side. Yeah. Sir.
Right now, I'm feeling.
You're going to get locked up for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct? You can't lock me up for disorderly conduct.
You're under
All
arrest.
right, they're locking me up for disorderly conduct. I wasn't disorderly.
You were inciting.
You hollered at me.
No, you hollered at us.
Whoa, you didn't swing that.
You just
I
burned me.
wasn't swinging.
You just burned me with your cigarette.
How did I burn?
You just burned me with your cigarette.
Okay, all right.
We'll do that
Okay.
for assault.
Assault. Come on.
So, Tri-State Audit News was arrested. Not because he actually committed a real crime. He was arrested because he and his camera removed from the officers something they desperately desire: the blanket of darkness and secrecy that allows them to conduct their lawless enterprise on an innocent man without being interrupted by, pesky transparency. What did they justify their arrest with? They claimed that he was resisting and interfering with an arrest. They charged him with disorderly conduct, and they charged him with obstructing and hindering. All these charges were dismissed by the district attorney. And the reason they were dismissed is because Tri-State Audit News was recording.
Today I went to court for these charges on this arrest. They were no processed, dismissed. So we the people have once again won. All charges were dismissed. Another win for we the people.
Moral of the story: always record the police. I'll leave the link to Tri-State Audit News in the description and the pinned comment. If you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description, or you can just become a channel member, and you can grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, whatever. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance, and indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. I will see you in the next video.